CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines. This is page 7, right? Part 2. Levels of E&M services continue, and the text reads like this.
The E&M service may be caused or promoted by the symptoms or condition for which the procedure and/or service was provided.
All right. So after a procedure is done on a patient, then there might be like a follow-up for an E&M service. That's all they're saying. Okay. So after the patient has been treated or has a procedure been done to him or her, then the doctor wants him to go for some kind of office visit, and that will be coded as an E&M service. Okay, that's all they're saying. And then there's a little more information about EN codes there, evaluation and management. You can read that. Okay, that is our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 283, exercise 202, and this is a level 0 exercise, which means that it's very easy. And the keywords are partial nephrectomy. The text of the problem reads like this.
This is a review. Patient undergoes partial nephrectomy for carcinoma of kidney.
Right. The patient undergoes a partial nephrectomy for a carcinoma of the kidney. Okay, so that is the procedure. Okay, now we are going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 50240. Did you get that? 50240? If you got that, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. The first tip is start with
nephrectomy.
Nephrectomy, right? That's the procedure. And we tell you that you should ignore the
carcinoma kidney.
Because this is
a diagnosis.
A diagnosis. So carcinoma kidney is what's wrong with the patient. We don't code what's wrong with the patient with CPT, right? With CPT, we only code
procedures.
So whatever was done to the patient, that's what we call it. And what was done was a nephrectomy or an excision of the kidney, right? Or in our case, partial excision of parts of the kidney, right? Now, the second part of our tips are the links for the procedure, so you can understand what is it that they're doing. We have selected the best videos from YouTube, and the best ones, as usually, have the A+ there, which means that we recommend you to see 1, 2, 3, these 3 videos. Okay, so if you want to understand the procedure, see these 3 videos, please. And now, can you go down a little bit? And oh, there's 4, right? Go up. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. 3 A+ videos. Those are the videos that you have to watch. And then if you have time,
if you want to see more,
right, if you are interested in this procedure, then you can go to the other links also, that mostly reading and explanations of what it is, right? Okay, now you have everything to solve this problem. You have the tips, you have the links, and you have the answer to the problem. So now all you have to do is give us the path, how we got to the problem. Okay, so we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path, how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the summary of the problem. Okay, after the code, the JJ code, there are the keywords, which are partial nephrectomy, and it's a review section of the book, and the text reads, the patient undergoes a partial nephrectomy for carcinoma of the kidney. Okay, there's only one code, and this code through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
You start with nephrectomy.
Go to the letter N and look for nephrectomy, and then from there, from the subcategories, you choose what? Partial, because it says right there, right? Partial nephrectomy. So it can't be easier than that. First nephrectomy and then partial. And then there's a code next to it which reads what?
50240.
50240. Now you have to check this code. You always check in the tabular. So you have to go to the tabular. The code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular section of the book.
You start with the code 50240.
You start with the code 50240, which is numerical, and they are in numerical order. And then you read what?
Nephrectomy partial.
Nephrectomy partial. So that's our code. And there's a note at the bottom of this code that says that if a nephrectomy was done with as a laparoscopy, then you use another code. But we don't have laparoscopy here in our text, so we're going to stay with this code 50240. Okay, that's why we have the equal sign right there, which means that this is our code and the answer is 50240. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us on YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Yeah, just click on the subscribe button and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
So don't forget to subscribe to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.